Stop scrolling. Big news just dropped. Grok AI, a tool everyone thought was gone behind paywalls, is back, and guess what? You can use it for free again. So whether you're creating a video or just learning or just exploring, Grok AI is ready to power all your ideas. And I'm going to show you how to use Grok AI for free in this particular video. So stick around because I will show you exactly how to access Grok AI today. No tricks, no hidden fees. Let's just dive in and let me show you how to go about it. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. Alright, if you've been following me, if you notice that this is where I stopped in the last video and where I created this particular image on this. So now, for me to animate this particular image to turn it into a video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use another different platform for it. So which is going to be, this is the site I'm going to be using. I'll be pinning the link to these platforms in the comment section. Just check it out. From here, I'm going to now click on login with, you can log in with anything, with Figma, you can log in with Google, you can log in with any Microsoft. So I'm just going to log in with my Google account and from there we'll proceed. All right, you can see I've logged into my account. This is where it brought me to. So now you can see from here, you can see create on any of these, create new file. You can click on any of them. So I'm going to click on this. Once I click on this, is going to load up and take me to another interface. And it is going to bring me here. What I can just click on skip for now. So from here now, what you can do, you can see if we have a lot of elements you can use. But what we are after is to do create videos. So I'm going to come to, you can see we have image models, we have video. So I'm going to click on this particular one that have like a video icon on it. So I'm going to click on this video. Under the video, you have a lot of options to use from. So we have Cadence 2.2 other models you can use. And one thing you should note, when you sign up to this particular website, you are going to be given 150 credits, and this 150 credits you can make use of it. And the funny part is that it's every day they will give you more credits. So now on this, and for this particular one we are going to be using Grok for this tutorial. So if you don't see Grok, you can just search over here for Grok, but I'm already having mine here, so I can just click on Grok. You can see for you to use Grok, for this is going to cost you about 36 credits, while for you to use Cadence 2.2 is going to cost you about this credit. So you can either use any of them if you want. For VL3, you can see it will cost about 90 credits. So that's just it. But for this tutorial, I'm going to be using Grok. So I'm going to click on Grok. Once I click on Grok, it's not going to work. What you need to do is to click on it, drag it into your workspace. So I'm going to, you can see, whenever I drop it on my workspace, you can see how it is. So now from here, I'm going to now, you can see I cannot just work like this. I need to bring in my inputs, that's my prompts area, my image area also. So now I'm going to now right click and bring in prompts. You can see you now have prompts here. I'm going to right click again and bring in my imports. So I'll bring in imports and leave it somewhere here. So from here you can reduce your zoom. So you can reduce zoom out. So that's it. You can reduce your zoom over here. So now on this right hand side, I'm going to now put export. Now these are the main things you need. Basically, these are the main things you need. Now from here, I'm going to bring in first of all, let me bring in my image. The image we just generated. This is the image. I'm going to bring in the image. So this is the image. So I have this image. So you can bring in any image you need. So, but this is the image I'm going to be using. So from here, I have this particular. From here, I'm going to now input my prompts here. It's just a basic prompt. I didn't really add just a basic prompts. I just wanted to see if it's going to. I just pray it gives me what was actually on my mind while writing the prompt. So from there, what you just do, you just try to click on this and drag it here. So and this side you have to link it this. If you don't do this, it's more or less like you're just creating and you're not linking them. So you need to link them now. Link the prompt to Grok, the image to Grok. Now if Grok is ready to work. Now after this, after working, you need to export it. So that's why I have to connect Grok to the export. Now from here on that, if you click on Grok, you are going to see from here. Now you are going to what you're going to do is you can set your duration. You can set your duration how you want it. So let me say for this particular video, I just want 10.
10 seconds. So if it's set it to 10 seconds, it's going to consume more credit. So just take note of that. So I'm going to just make use of 10 seconds for this particular video. Let's just see what the output, what is going to produce. Now, after that, I'm going to can see under your resolution. You can, if you change your resolution, it doesn't affect your credit. That's one thing there. If you are going to make use of this, and also this, I'm going to make use of this, and also you can see you can decide to how many results do you want. I want just one, so that I'll be able to maximize my credits very well. So now, after that, you can just click on run selected, or you can click on this run model here. So let me just click from here. So once I click, you can see it's running. So what it's just going to do is just to patiently just wait for it to finish generating the image. So let's just for it to finish generating the video. You can see it has already started already. So let's just wait for it to finish. All right, you can see it has finished generating my video, and if you're okay with the outputs, like on my own end, I will going to be playing what it generated for me at the end of this particular video. So now I'm going to, from here, what I'm going to now do is to, if you're okay with the output, what it generated for you, you can see from here, just close this. Now from here, you can see export. So what you just need to do is just to click on the export, and it's going to generate for you. So let's click on export, and it's going to render. You can see it's rendering. So once it's finished rendering, the next thing it's going to do is just for it to item. It's going to automatically download the video for you. So you can see it has downloaded the video for me. So you can see how I was able to create my videos using the Grok model. So and also the trick to get, if you have multiple emails, you can just sign in and sign out, creating a new account using a different email, and you get access to you'll be given every day, as I said, 150 credit to use on this particular platforms. So that's just how everything is on this platform. It's very, very easy and easy to navigate. So that's just how to go about it on this particular website. And you can also try other models. You can see from here we also have, you can also generate image for you directly from here in case you want to generate your image directly from here. But remember, for this particular one, I use a different AI tool to generate my image. So if you really want to know how to generate this particular image I used, or want to know this, I'll be adding the link to the video in the description box. Or if I just check this particular video showing up here, I just click on it, you'll see how I was able to create this particular image. So I believe this particular video must have solved your problem. And if you have any question or any video idea you want me to work on, just drop in the comment section. I will try as much, or any video request you want me to work on, just drop in the comment. I'll try my best to see how to attend to it.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.